Punch it, chicken. Let's go sprint car racing on a Saturday night at Havasu 95 Speedway. Whoa, let's not smoke and crash on the first lap. Oh, we got one around in turn one. Will be yellow. It's the all shallow end swim today. Yes, we have kids in the pool. That's awesome. We've had Kurt Busch in the pool up here. We've got kids swim. Punch it, chicken. Come on with it. Oh, Havasu 95 Speedway. I mean, just the love and camaraderie at this track. I love it. Absolutely love it. Leaders coming underneath him, moves to the high side. Preferred line here at Havasu 95 Speedway, if you're not familiar, is the bottom. Oh, Maiska goes high. Well, the 14 broke. I think something broke in the 14. But definitely dead in the water. We will go yellow on lap 6. Shall we dance? Yes, punch it, chicken, back to laps that count. 6. Yes, indeed. Lap number 6. James Coynan at 71. Puts it to the bottom. Lawrence looking on high side. Pat Lawrence didn't have as good of a number 2 turn that lap as he has in the rest of the race, so it's going to go to James Coyne, going to win the B feature. Pat Lawrence going to come in second. Aiden Kahn, Jarrett Bond. Punch it, chicken. Here come the Can-Am sprints right at you, Havasu. Running 2 lines. The high line, the low line here at Havasu 95 Speedway for your Can-Am sprints. Kahn starting to move around just a little bit, defending that bottom sign. White gave him a little bump as they were going into turn number 2. White almost, wow, White put the bumper to him there. And we will be cautioned. Punch it, chicken. Green flags back out. Schmelzley leads him down. Rattel wants some. Stevenson leaving the door open. Should see white flag out now for Chris Schmelzley. Rattel can get there. I don't think he's going to get it done this time. Had his chance about 2 laps ago. Checkered flag coming out for your first A feature winner in your Can-Am sprints. Chris Schmelzley going to win. Matthew Stevenson in second. Kevin Rattel third. Chris Oakes fourth. Let's see. Who else is out here? Possibly CJ Schrum, maybe? Yes, I think CJ Schrum's in that 34S. This one's slated for 12 laps. Or I just said, you know what, it looks really huge if I put it on the 16th mile. Don't call it a midget. Checkered flag comes out. 69 going to win this thing. And then the 34S. What you say? Punch it, chicken. And let's go Sam Nichols Electrical Factory Stock Racing here at Havasu 95 Speedway. Caught a little of that rear fender, then caught some bumper off Guevara, and McKinney said, I'm going to take it. Blackwell, gets crazy. Blackwell trying to save it. Great save by Chris Blackwell to keep that car out of other cars and out of the wall. Oh, but then he gets crashed into. Oh, man. Well, shucks. We're going to be punching chickens till the end of April. Yes, indeed. Let's keep punching chickens tonight, though. Somebody at home is saying, what does he mean? Is he really punching chickens? No, we're not really punching chickens, but punch it, chicken. Come on. Throw that accelerator to the floor and see if she's got some more. McKinney makes a move underneath Guevara. Guevara might come back down. Guevara still got first. Guevara got the line in the middle. New leader, Kevin McKinney at the line. Guevara's still right there, though. Guevara got a good little head of steam as he went into one. Guevara's still right there. Guevara better watch out for Tom Gray, though, because Gray is right there underneath him and could... Ladies and gentlemen, your Sam Nichols Electrical Factory Stock main event winner this evening, Mr. Kevin McKinney. Mad Dog McKinney wins it. The Gray Ghost comes in second. Big Bad Darren Kearns in third. William Guevara fourth. Matt Cayley returning to Havasu 95. Bunch of chickens. There we go. Here come the single-digit age group. 7, 8, 9. I think 007's, what, 10 maybe? No, single digits, right? Okay. 45 thinks he's in Golden Valley. Oh, hey, what is going on? I've lost control of the circus. Oh, I hope they see. Oh, no. Oh, God. Well, you know, wasn't there a lady in the New York Marathon who won it that really didn't do that? Like, she came in right at the... Beck doing a good job. Beck still in second. Oh, but... James Bond making a move on the outside. Oh, mercy. I think they're shaken and stirred now. Looked like Beck was going to make a move for first there. Oh. Again. If your GPS is working like that, just take it back to the dealer. Something's wrong. I need a new app. Something ain't working there. Oh, I didn't mean to do it like that. And Beck pulls it out. Oh, my goodness. How about that Havasu 95 Speedway? Come on. If you're not entertained now, just go ahead and go home. Oh, my goodness. How about those mini dwarves, ladies and gentlemen? This one's slated for 20 laps. Come on with it. Punch it, chicken. Let's go. Whoa. Nice. Ryder McQueen doing the pro bull rider first turn there. Nose to tail. Not again. Oh, came back to him. Ponty had problems in that first time we saw him, in that first race. Wow. McQueen had enough of Braylon Martin and stuck it to him. Believe we stay green. White flag out, and going to see the checkers come out for Ryder Pitt McQueen. Second place going to be Levi Pitt McQueen. Jack Plonty going to come in third, and Braylon Martin. And we go green. Punch it, chicken. Let's go. This one slated for 25 laps to completion. Oh, and they were getting loose right there up front. They're almost 3 wide. They were still 3 wide in the middle and 3 wide coming out of 2. Holy moly. Hang on to your seats. And again, pay attention while the race is going on. Parts pieces could come flying if there's a wreck. And we want you to go home safely without injury. So please pay attention. Front pack has got woed up by the lap traffic. Now leaders trying to get around the 91X of Matthew Carroll. We got one around. That was Pollock that got around in the 0-1. Not sure how that happened. I did not see it. We'll see what race control says. Yellow flag is out at lap 18. There's the green. Punch it, chicken. Back to laps to count. Bush. We got a yellow out. We got one around in the middle of 3 and 4. Not sure who that is. We will see here shortly. Green flag comes out. Restart on lap 17. Well, Cash got a terrible start. Abbott going to come in. Ridge going to make up that gap. Oh, we got one around in 3. Got 2 around in 3. But the second one was just spinning to avoid. They're under their own power. Everything's good. And do a couple quick turns and we will get lined to back up. That was towards the end of the field. Lined up, all ready to go. Does Abbott got something from the 5th spot? Or is Woods going to keep them all behind him still? Let's figure it out, ladies and gentlemen. Green flag's out. And Ori Woods leads this esteemed field of Dwarf car drivers to hopefully completion of this main event. As they keep Harris behind him, and indeed, it's going to be your Dwarf car main event winner, Ori Woods. John Harris second, Micah Norris third, Ridge Abbott in 4th, Mark Pollock up to 5th. Tell a friend, bring a friend, everything. Havasu95speedway.com. Come on with it, punch it, chicken. Here come the sprint cars. Oh, we got one into the wall in 3. Holy moly, we got one into the wall in 3, rode it around, and we are cautioned. Thanks again for you folks tuned in at lowbudget.tv. You want to watch this race tonight? You want to go home, replay it, watch something later? Go to lowbudget.tv for all of our races all season long. Big thanks to Jeff and Tommy for bringing their services out here to the desert. We appreciate it. Back to green flag laps. This one again slated for 25 laps to completion, ladies and gentlemen. Having some problems popping as it goes into the corner. And now there's that move I was talking about. Rattel giving it to Priest. Priest on the high side, Rattel on the bottom. Rattel going to stay there, but he's about to come into lap. Travis got to push Priest high. Priest saw it too. The track right now. Wow, Rattel screwed up and Priest came back. Priest bumped him a little bit. And those two gentlemen trading, rubbing, and loving bumps on a Saturday night. Discussions about real estate. Moved it up just a bit. We still stay. There was definitely contact in 3. Connor Rattel shaping up. Rattel on the bottom. Connor on the high side. Rattel's had it. Rattel put it to him and said, I'm going by him faster, dude. White flag is out for the final time this evening at Havasu 95 Speedway for Jimmy White. Jimmy White rolling out of 2, looking as good as he has the entire day, the whole evening, ladies and gentlemen. Your Can-Am Sprint main event winner number 2 going to be Jimmy White. Kevin Rattel comes in 2nd. Jason Kahn 3rd. Sean Priest 4th. Matthew Stevenson 5th. Havasu 95 Speedway. Give a round of applause around our fireworks, around our Dave and family back there. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming out on a Saturday night. Don't forget, 2 weeks we will be back here. We hope you are too. Make sure you get home safe. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful evening and a good Sunday from the entire Rosen family and the Havasu 95 Speedway family. My name is Mike Flanders. A pleasure to be here. We will see you in 2 weeks. Be good to yourselves, be good to each other, and God bless America.